Hello, all Dr. Nature Wellness Associates. Today I will be teaching you how to order your products online. So, first of all, you have to go to your browser and type Dr. Nature Wellness as shown above. After you enter into the website, there is an option for login. There is a human symbol here, you can click, which already got green. After clicking there, you can enter into our login details. So there is a user id space, so there you enter your user id details. So mine is dnw18422 and my password is written. So after that, after entering your user id and password, you can sign in. So after signing in, you will see a page like this, and there are three arrows on the left corner. So after clicking there, you can go to my Shopee, and after clicking on my Shopee, you can click on create order. So after clicking on create order, you will get a page like this. So here you can enter same as profile, or you can manually type the shipping address, shipping mobile number and pin code. After entering the details, you can select here pay online. So after clicking on pay online, you will get a page like this, and here you will add the products, whatever products you want. Select product, you will click on select product. For example, Nutri Support Drink Mix, I want this particular product 2 pieces, so I will write 2 and I will do add. Okay, so please enter shipping address. Okay, because I have not added shipping address, so it is not showing. So you can see here the shipping charge is 60 rupees. If you want to make this shipping charge free, you want free delivery, then you need to order a minimum amount of 2500. For example, let me add some other products. For example, aloe vera plain juice, I want this 2 pieces also. Just showing you how to do this. uh, okay, so the amount is right now, net amount is 2718. Why is it not showing free? Because the DP price, let me show you, the net amount is 2358. Still there is something left, so let me add another product. For example, wheat barley grass juice, again I am adding 2 pieces of this item. So okay, so right, you can see that the net amount has crossed 2500 rupees. So shipping charge already got 0, and the net amount is this. So after getting this, basically I have not added my shipping address, shipping mobile number and pin code. That is why there is always a pop-up after adding. So you can ignore that. If you initially enter all your details, so it won't show you. And after that, you can adding the products and getting your shipping charge free of cost. Then you can finalize and proceed. You will get an OTP, and then you will get the payment gateway. So in the payment gateway, you can choose UPI or your debit card, credit card details, and you can finally proceed with the payment. And after your order is confirmed, you will get the delivery within 7 to 10 days of your ordering. So I hope you can understand how is it how simple it is to order products online via Dr. Nature Wellness website. So this is the way. So kindly proceed and make your complete order. Always remember, there is a loyalty program going on. When you order between 1st of every month to 15th of every month, in between these 15 days, if you order in 1500 rupees or 1500 rupees multiple, so you get, if you purchase for 5 months, then you get the 6 month free. For example, here you ordered 2500, right? Here, for example, here we crossed 3000 rupees. So if you purchase 3000 rupees for 5 months continuously within 1st to 15th of the month, then on the 6th month we will get 3000 rupees free products via the company. So this is a very amazing offer, loyalty program. So I hope everybody will make maximum use of this offer, and all the best. Thank you so much.